Now let's use the VN app to remove green screen or green background. So what this means is this is a green. I'm just going to import this to the timeline. There's a video shot on a green background. I don't really know how to explain the science of it, but when you shoot a video in front of a green background like this shade of green, you can easily remove the background and replace it with something else. This also applies to pictures too. You can remove it easily. Not that you can't do it with other colors, but it's easier to do this with the green. That's what they use for movies. When you see all this, I don't know if you see movies of behind the scene of dragon, and stuff that you think that this ape is not real, or this Jurassic World and all of that. They mostly use green background. We're just doing a little demo, the basics about removing green background. So here we have our video on our timeline. Let me take this out. So what I'll do is that I'm going to go here. I'm going to forward this. Once I click on forward, it's going to come to the PIP. I click on it, and then we have the base is empty now. There's no background here. So I'm going to tap on it. I replace it with a picture, and this is the picture I replaced. This is like a weather forecast. So what I'm trying to do is that, as you can see, she's pointing, so it feels like she's trying to explain something on her screen, probably like a weather newscaster or something. I don't know. Okay, so when I tap on the PIP, which is this video above, I'm going to go to chroma, tap on chroma, then you see this circle thing come up. You just move it to where the green is, and you can see the background, the weather forecast that we put beneath will automatically show. If you want it to be like really smooth, like remove everything, you can just increase the intensity until it's okay, and then you click on the check mark. So you can see, if we play it, this is how it's looking. And if we don't want her to be in the middle, we can just tap on the PIP and move her where we want her to be. And we can also reduce the size. If she's looking too big, you can just reduce the size and then that's it. So this is it. So you see, that's how to remove the background. So a quick tip: if you're shooting on a green screen or in front of a green screen, try as much as possible not to be too close to the background, because that way your shadow may be showing because of the light. So it's good you step a little bit forward, so that when you're picking the color, the green color, it won't like construct. And also, don't wear anything that has green. Your clothes, your makeup, any jewelry, nothing should have green. Like nothing. The belt, skirt, nothing should have green. Or else, if you're trying to pick the color from the background, you make a mistake of picking something there, and your video won't come out nice. So that is it.